In this video, we are going to discuss how to use the lacrosse ball to release your sacrotuberous ligament. This is one of the points of the posterior chain that we reference periodically that is can be a really influential point in how the rest of that posterior chain is moving. So the sacrotuberous ligament is very deep, so you're going to be very friendly with your lacrosse ball on this one, okay? All right, I'm going to give you this so you can sort of show it. We call these two bones right here, these are your ischium, we call these your sitz bones, okay? So you are going to go between the sitz bone and the coccyx is where this ligament is. And so it's about halfway between, and then it's deep in there as if you're trying to make like a J up to the opposite shoulder, okay? So as you are figuring out your placement, you're gonna find that sitz bone and you're gonna sit back on it and sort of roll right to the inside of that sitz bone. And then weight on all 4 points, so 2 feet and 2 hands. Good, so that you can sort of determine how much pressure you put down on it, because when it's sore, it can be super sore. So you might not want a ton of weight down on there, right? So then you find that sitz bone, you roll around forward and back until you find the spot that is tender. You might also find that it's not so much rolling forward and back as it is tucking the hips one way or the other that helps you find it, okay? So one caution, do not roll side to side because you don't want to roll over that little coccyx there at the tip of your sacrum, which is your triangle bone right in the center. That will hurt. You might not be very happy with me after that. So front and back rolling. Okay, once you find a spot that is tender, you can, again, work that rock back and forth in the pelvis. You can find the spot and pin it, and then lift the chest, and reaching all the way back and up with the head, thinking that you're kind of arching over a barrel. So no one spot gets to extend, but chest is lifting up, head is reaching long. That's lovely, Dominique, very good. And then you can relax that back down. You can drop one knee or the other out to the side or down, either one. Good, so out to the side and then back up, or you can slide it down and up. And again, with any lacrosse ball work, if the movement that you're doing is changing the tone or the tension underneath the lacrosse ball, it's fair game. You might even find that you want to move your chest. Awesome. And that's how you use the lacrosse ball to work your sacrotuberous ligament.